This is a brand new 2013 Ram 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.7-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, keyless ignition, power-adjustable driver pedals, a heated steering wheel, a sunroof, heated seats, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, chrome wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a folding second row, cruise control, leather seats, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, full power accessories, a sliding rear window, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.